Some breaking news just coming in. A grenade attack has taken place at the Lal Chowk in Srinagar. 3 people have been injured in that attack is what we are learning. Let's go across straight to our correspondent Mufti Islah, who's joining us live from Srinagar from the site of that attack. Mufti?
Well, yes, this was an attack that took place some time back. In fact, this seemed to be the target, the CRPF Palladium Chowk bunker, and militants tried to hurl a grenade. The police and the CRPF has now reached the spot. As you can see, this grenade exploded there. There's a big crater that is out there, and the primary target seemed to be this bunker, which is towards my right, and where now a posse of CRPF men have lined up. They've gone into the lanes and by lanes to see who could have really thrown a grenade at this camp. Luckily for the CRPF, because they were all inside this bunker, they didn't sustain injuries, but some of the passerbys in this area really got injured. 4 of them, we're learning from police, have got injured, but they mild injuries, and all of them have now been taken to the hospital. But luckily for the people and passerbys, this is not a grievous kind of an injury. But yes, this attack came here in the heart of the city at Palladium Chowk, Lal Chowk, and what militants wanted to convey is that there is an election which will be going in this phase 4, where all the Srinagar seats would go to the polls, and that happens on December 14th. But it's a huge, massive attack and could be construed as a big security breach, given that this has come in the middle of the city.
All right, Mufti, you're telling us a CRPF bunker was the target there. You're telling us, fortunately, no personnel have been injured, but a few passerbys have sustained injuries. But Mufti, just take us through a sequence of events. You've spoken to the people there. What exactly happened? How did this attack take place?
This attack took place some 1 hour back when the CRPF were in fact lining up. This CRPF remains really stationed here. You see the kind of men and the machines that are here. They always put up here to give, the cover to any of the security vehicle, as also to maintain a vigil here at this chowk, which is very important chowk, very busy chowk. There are a lot of shops and a lot of traffic which moves towards this main road of Srinagar. Now, this grenade apparently was, thrown from the lanes, the multi-lanes of this chowk. But as of now, there you see the kind of chaos that it's really come to